Good morning. Are you also waiting for the number 42 bus?
Oh, good morning. Yes, I am. I think it should be here in a few minutes. I hope so, at least.
Haha, same here. I'm already running a little late.
Oh, no. Are you going to work?
Not today. I'm going to meet a friend for breakfast. How about you?
I'm heading to the city center. I have a small meeting later.
Ah, busy day.
A little, but not too bad. And you? Breakfast with a friend sounds nice.
Yeah, it is. We try to meet once a week.
It's a nice morning today. Not too hot.
Yes, I love mornings like this. Fresh air, soft sunlight. Feels peaceful.
Exactly. Yesterday was too warm for me.
Same. I felt like melting.
Me too. Do you usually take the bus in the morning?
Not always. Only when my friend chooses a place far from my home.
Makes sense.
The bus is taking longer than usual.
Yeah, I noticed. Maybe there's traffic?
Or maybe it's one of those days when buses have their own plans.
Oh, yes. Bus schedules, the ultimate mystery of life.
That's so true.
By the way, I'm Michael.
Nice to meet you, Michael. I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you too, Anna.
Do you live around here?
Yes, just a couple of streets away. You?
Same area. I moved here about 6 months ago.
Oh. How do you like it so far?
It's nice. Quiet, friendly neighbors, lots of trees. What about you? How long have you been here?
Almost 5 years.
So, you mentioned you have a meeting today. Do you work nearby?
Yes. I work at a small design studio. Graphic design, mostly.
Oh, wow. That sounds fun and creative.
It is, sometimes, but deadlines can be stressful.
I can imagine. Do you enjoy graphic design?
Yes, I do, especially logo design. What about you? What do you do?
I'm a part-time English tutor.
Really? That's cool. So you're helping people learn English?
Yes, mostly beginners. Kids and sometimes adults.
That must be rewarding.
It is. I love when students finally say, "Oh, I understand." It makes my day.
So what do you do for fun?
Hmm. I like reading, taking long walks, sometimes cooking. You?
I enjoy photography.
Photography. Nice. What do you usually take photos of?
Nature, mostly. And sometimes people. Candid moments.
That's beautiful. It must help you notice small details in life.
Exactly. It makes everything feel more meaningful.
This bus is really late today.
Yeah, at this point, I'm not even waiting for the bus anymore. I'm waiting for destiny.
That's true.
Are you in a hurry?
Not really. My friend is always late, so I'm actually early.
Lucky. I wish my coworkers were late too. Then I could relax more.
You sound like you need a vacation.
Honestly, Yes, but I keep postponing it.
Why?
I always find an excuse. Work, timing, money. You know how it is.
I do. But sometimes taking a break is important. If you could travel anywhere right now, where would you go?
Maybe Japan. I love the culture, the food, the scenery.
Japan is on my list too. I want to see the cherry blossoms.
Oh, yes. That would be amazing.
Where else would you go?
Maybe Italy for the pizza.
Italy for pizza, Japan for cherry blossoms. Your travel style is very delicious and pretty.
Exactly.
I'd go to New Zealand
Why New Zealand?
because it looks peaceful. Mountains, lakes. It feels like nature's quiet hug.
That's such a beautiful description.
So, what's your usual morning like?
Very simple. I wake up, make tea, check messages, take a small walk. You?
Wake up, hit snooze again, and then I panic and rush.
That sounds familiar.